Hi everyone, it's Cosmin from Dessertophilia. In today's video, I'm showing you how to make a delicious dessert that's both keto-friendly and gluten-free. My chocolate chip almond and cocoa nut blondies are fluffy, moist, and rich. So let's get to it. In my mixing bowl, I have 150 grams of almond flour, 50 grams of coconut flour, and to these I'm adding a little salt and 10 grams of baking powder. Add 50 grams of coconut flakes and use a whisk to bring the dry ingredients together. These are 200 grams of coconut yogurt that I'm mixing just to soften it a little. To the yogurt, I'm adding 4 eggs at room temperature. Once the eggs are fully incorporated, add 150 grams of erythritol and continue mixing. It takes a minute or two for the erythritol to dissolve. After that, it's time to add 100 milliliters of almond milk at room temperature. Now add a splash of vanilla, about 2 teaspoons worth. Pour the wet ingredients over the dry and fold until you obtain a batter. And now add 50 grams of melted butter. Warm is okay, but make sure it's not hot. And finally, add 100 grams of chocolate drops or chips. I greased a medium-sized baking pan and lined it with parchment. Level the batter and add more chocolate drops on top if you want to. The blondies bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. After baking, allow the blondies to cool completely in the pan. Cut into squares and dig right in. They're fluffy, moist, rich, delicious. Until next time, Dessertophiles.